Nandito na kami sa South Dakota. Kami sa Mount Rushmore. Mga ulo ng presidente.
Was out drinking, looking for the next thing. I couldn't really settle down. Always on the run, I didn't want to slow down. But baby, then you came around. Yeah, you came around. No, I won't ever let you down. I promise you that I'll hold on. I know that it gets tough sometimes, so I'm here to remind you, love. The sun will shine on you wherever you go, wherever you go. And when it gets dark, stay strong. You're never alone. You're never alone. The sun will shine. The sun will shine. Yeah. Now I cannot picture my life being without you. You're the center of my life. I know we can't predict the future, baby, I won't lose you. You know that I will stick around. Yeah, I will stick around. No, I won't let you down. I promise you that I'll hold on. I know that it gets tough sometimes, so I'm here to remind you, love. The sun will shine on you wherever you go, wherever you go. And when it gets dark, stay strong. You're never alone. You're never alone. The sun will shine. The sun will shine. Yeah. The sun will shine. The sun will shine. Yeah. The sun will shine.
So yun, last day, check out. So dito na kami. Yeah, thank you very much. I appreciated it. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
You are so helpful, guys. So meron ditong pool. Oh, naglilinis. So yun, nandiyan kami kagabi. Sa restaurant yata pwede? Ha? Ano lightning?
Punta tayo doon.
Ano lightning?
Close daw for the day.
Bakit daw?
Kasi may lightning warning.
Ano lightning mo?
Lightning.
Okay.
Hindi nga lang conclusion.
May billiard table sila. May laruan doon. Game. Ano mga breakfast sila? Hindi tayo nag-breakfast dyan.
Sobrang dami natin. Ano?
Meron sila dito restaurant. Buffet restaurant.
Yeah. Is this Starbucks here?
She's right on the corner. She's back there.
Sumunod ba?
Kano ba? Kano?
Gusto mo the matcha latte.
Hmm?
Matcha latte. Matcha. Share na tayo. Gusto mo matcha latte? Ha? Ilang coffee. Matcha latte. Ano?
Kano ba laman yan? 50 yan, di ba? 50 yan, alam ko eh.
Baka sa Canada, no?
O 30. Hindi, ati pa siya. Ano bibigyan niya na? Si Pat.
Oh, yeah, mga 5 lang po.
Or 30. 30 ba o 20?
Ano sa'yo? Dito may labat.
So, dito kami nakatambay kahapon ng hapon. Diyan. Ganda ng view, no? Yan ang view namin kahapon. Wala masyadong nililigo. Nililinis nila ngayon. Then may... Ano meron? Ang dala, meron pala silang tahin dito. Meron silang tahin. Nahanap tayo ng ketchup. Dapat pala umaga pala nahingi tayo ng ketchup. Nakatalo tayo ng ketchup. Meron pala silang ketchup, oh.
Oo nga.
Patumay tayo kahapon. Diba usually buffet nila? Yan na, dirty soda. Create your own.
Turkey soda ka? No.
Ayoko matamis, mahapdisan na muna.
Yun na kaya nga latte lang gusto ko.
Isa lang, hati na tayo. Hoy. Hoy, meron. Steak finger, vegetable, pork sausage, egg hash brown. Usually sa mga restaurant, sa mga hotel. Diba? Yogurt. So yun. So bili lang kami kape. Buffet pero ang pagkain yung pang normal na restaurant lang.
Do you want to make coffee?
Ito na sa akin. Sa akin. Thank you. So, balik na ako sa akin. Mabili lang si Mrs. ng kape. Sarap pa sa loob.
We got nowhere to be, just a slow dance with the summer heat. The world outside can't wait a few, 'cause right now we got nothing else to do. The sun is peeking through the cotton white blinds, your hands still tangled up in mine. Feet on the wall, your head on me, floating easy. We got nowhere to be, got nowhere to be. Your hair's a mess, but you don't mind. You just laugh, let it fall where it lies. Coffee's cold, but we take a sip, talk about nothing. Let the morning slip. Oh, it feels like that, like summer air through window cracks. Oh, it feels like that, like summer sun on quiet tracks. Oh, it feels like that, like the summer rain that falls so slowly on the naked skin upon your back. Oh, it feels like that, like a love song on a worn out track. Yeah, it feels like that. Feels like that. Yeah, it feels like that. Na 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 na. Feels like that. Oh, it feels like that, like summer air through window cracks. Oh, it feels like that, like the summer sun on quiet tracks.
Even 1 million and 2,000. Even kabillion. Kabillion and gazillion.
Mm.
Is quadrillion a real number?
Mhm.
Oh, okay. Mommy.
Saan muna tayo?
Mommy.
Yung talaan.
Mommy.
Sa water.
Mommy.
Walmart?
Mommy.
Walmart?
Pwede, kung gusto mo.
Mommy.
We're going to
Walmart. Mommy.
Oh,
Is kabillion a number?
I don't know.
Mommy, we're going to Walmart.
Yeah.
Yeah? Yeah.
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 Ito, saan banda natin?
I-GPS mo, tapos lagay mo Walmart.
Am I excited? Kuya,
Add
you know
stop.
we're almost
25.
to the mall.
I'd stop.
We're literally so close to the mall.
25.
Love you, Daddy. Love you, Mommy.
Mhm.
Love you, Mommy.
Okay lang.
25.
Hindi pa man mag-add ng stop? Add, Walmart.
Holy mackerel.
Saan yun? No crash mode. Direction.
Malala.
Add. Saan yun?
No.
Mommy, I like the cream bread so much.
Yung tayo madadaan ng Walmart ah.
Hmm?
Ang dami. Super center pa. Ah, ang dami oh.
Ito nga, super center to, nasa may labas na oh.
Oh, yan na.
We're not going to Walmart? Walmart is super center.
Ito. Done.
Punta na.
1 hour and 43.
Kuya, you know we're close to Walmart.
Let's go. Check out na.
Maya, we're going to Walmart?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Saan tayo pupunta, Bulsa?
Mom.
Saan mall?
Mom. I want to buy toys.
No, gamot.
Huh?
Gamot.
Can we even buy toys?
Gamot muna.
Ah!
Hanap siguro ng traffic ano.
Mhm. Wala na. Nasa trabaho ng mga tao.
Ba? Sana. Sunflower?
Ay, Sabado pa lang ngayon eh.
Sunflower!
Kaya marami tao sa labas.
This is apple.
Plus 15 temperature.
Bro, what's that? It's cookies. Coffee. But this
Apple juice.
Malava. Is coffee allowed for kids?
No.
How about when you're teen?
Bata kami, sabo pa namin sa kape. Sabo pa namin sa kanin.
How about young adult?
Yeah, pwede.
When I'm like 20?
Kahit naman mga 18 ka, nag-coffee na ako, mga 17 ako, nag-review ako. Parang hindi ako makatulog noon. Oo nga, yung sabi nga ni Ryan.
Kuya? Yeah. Are you so sorry for your
Wala sama?
Yep. I'm gonna give you a gift. But you're already my gift. Dara. Yeah, but I'm gonna give you another gift. Another gift. Secret. You're gonna be scared of the toilet?
Bakit gas? Magagas gas!
O, saan? Gamit ko.
No, no, yeah, it's not. I'm gonna be scared
Cotton.
If it's Christmas, I'm gonna get some.
Oo, malambot.
Even
Kaya na? Medyo okay na?
in the summer.
Ang aking Montclair.
Kuya, look, it's a black bird. Wait, did it land it in the top? Dana,
Oo nga po. Tsaka white siya.
promise you're gonna buy
Ayoko
one.
yung masikip sa ano.
I promise, but
Kaya
if
mo
the
damputin
gun
eh,
is
ang mahal-mahal nito.
expensive from Mommy, then I'm not gonna get it.
Ako dumampot.
You're
Ha?
gonna get
Ako dumampot.
Ito ba?
gun? Yeah.
Di mo na pwede ng mga
expensive from the other expensive
May grado.
Oo nga pala.
different toys now.
Hindi naman sila nasangkap na.
So, nandito kami ngayon sa states ng border state ng Wyoming. Oh, gatanggal ako ng ano. Picture lang kami dito sa state border. Welcome Wyoming. Kasali na.
You are my pill, I swallow it. Take me away to Neverland, where colors fade my disbelief and make me forget my memories. Rent a car you can't afford, burns on that we both know.
don't care about the
Rushmore.
place we've been. We'll still be up, still be up. We're in this together. Both fall down, doesn't matter if it's up, no, it's up.
Take the next right onto South Dakota 244 East. Continue on South Dakota 244 East for 9 miles.
Bakit pala to?
Kuya, did you
Ba't di nasa bundok?
Mount Rushmore National Memorial. Forest Service. Uy.
Eh, saan ka tumitingin?
done? Kuya, look down there. There's leaves. Kuya, they're changing colors. The rock is gonna fall on its one.
Puro bato naman pala dito, ano?
Ano ba? Kaya nga Mount Rushmore.
Batong puti. Sterling.
May patak din dyan.
Parang meron, mami. Kasi NPS yun eh. National Park
Ano
Service.
na, nandiyan sa passport. Ante naman na lang. May Mount
Visitor center
Rushmore.
muna tayo. Magsasara na.
Kuya, we're so close.
15 minutes.
15 minutes? I can wait for
Kaya huwag kayo maingay para tayo.
Oo. O hindi, babalik tayo dito. Para lang matapakan.
Pag sinabing
Mabilisan lang.
Mami, John, keep it short.
Oo nga, totoo. Okay naman. Mabilis na kayo ngayon.
Yeah, we're so fast.
Mabagal lang si Georgiana. Kaya tuloy pag may bear, siya mahuhuli. Busog naman na yung bear pagkatapos. Na Georgiana.
Yes, but you said the bear will be eating one people.
Oo, iyo. Kung sino pinakamabagal.
That's you, John. No, I want that to be mommy.
Eh, mabagal. Mabilis ako.
Alam mo, ahon yung RBA. Maiksi.
Ikaw, mabagal ka. Pati sa pagkain, mabagal ka.
In a quarter mile, turn left.
Nasaan ang visitor center?
Hindi naman yan.
I'm gonna be like this, Kuya, when the bear chasing you.
Pero siguro sa may entrance.
They're gonna be like this, look.
Nasaan yung ID, yung card?
Don't worry, I'm gonna bring my
Ano
gun.
nakalagay dyan?
Keep shooting it and
Yan
then
na.
I'll follow you.
Concession.
Okay? I'll follow you. I'm gonna shoot it and give you the gun.
At the light, turn left. Then you will arrive at your destination.
What else do you have?
Saan ba pasok?
Nasa tabi niya siguro. Yan.
So is it gonna run faster if you shoot it? No.
Walan.
Eh,
Ito, one way ka pumasok eh.
Auto. Isa lang ata, isa lang bukas ang auto.
Ha?
Isa lang ang auto na bukas.
Pwede naman dun eh.
Ayan. Bases yun eh.
Pwede yan.
So, dito ka na.
Yung card mo? Kasama yan dito, di ba?
Hindi, walang nakalagay. Parking lang yan.
Ah, $10 pa.
Parking lang yan. Di pa yan yung ano. Wala pa rin L. Ayan.
Daddy, drive!
Di ba kasama yung card na yan?
Ewan ko.
Harap, kita natin.
Hindi
Passes
naman
yan
to
eh.
National Park eh. Oh, pero parking nga yan. National Park Pass not valid for... Oh, National Park Pass not valid for parking.
Ganun. Saan ka naman kasama yung sabi mo?
Entrance to ng National Park. Hindi naman to sa parking.
Kuya,
Sa Badlan to magagamit.
I saw big hands in that.
Pusurubyo nga ha, Pusurubyo.
Stop muna yan.
Kalamba.
Hi, how are you doing today?
Good.
You have a yeah, we have
Senior,
a
yeah,
senior.
I'm senior.
Okay, it's gonna be $5 for you.
You need ID?
No, it's okay, don't worry.
Do you have a visitor center here?
Yes, at the top.
At the
At the
top?
top?
Okay.
And this ticket is good for 1 year if you wanna come back.
Oh, 1 year.
Which one?
This one?
Yeah, this one.
Oh, okay.
Ah.
Thank you.
Have a
Any vehicle or anyone can use?
great-
Anyone
Anyone
can?
can use.
Oh,
Okay,
okay,
I'll
thank
keep it. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Why, Mommy, what happened?
Picture mo, send mo sa group chat. Sa'yo may valid for 1 year. $5.
What?
Kaya gusto yung bumalik.
Diretso, dali. Puntahan mo natin yung visitor center. Makaw-makaw.
Yun na, oh, kita na, oh.
Pati,
Saan?
live ka na. Ayun!
Saan ba? Paparada lang dito? Hindi tayo didiretso doon?
The president's face.
Parada ka.
O didiretso tayo doon?
Yung baril may ibaba
Ano ba?
mo.
Wala, hindi ko nga rin alam.
Ay,
Hindi na, tinatanong.
nakakasundot.
No.
Up there now, up there.
Where's
Parada
the
na
one
natin.
off of work? He's in the top.
Ayun o, ayan, kita na nga sila. Ayun
Parking
na,
in, nagbayad tayo ng parking
What
in.
the? Oh my gosh!
O meron pa doon.
Parang layo ng parking mo.
Parang wala yung...
I see it.
Saan exit?
Mommy, can we walk
Yung
there?
sinatinat. Ay,
Mommy,
exit.
can we walk there?
Uy, dinahanap ko nga eh.
Hinahanap pa nga
Pa
eh.
nga, yung
Naliligaw. Ay, baka palabas yan. Exit, paikot ka.
Oh, saan tayo lalabas?
President.
parking.
Ah,
o,
pero-
parking.
Hindi, ayun na.
Tsaka parking.
Oh, may parking pa doon. O, tara, go, 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 go.
Oh my gosh, are you dumb? He's up there?
Yeah.
Oh, I see him.
Go, 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 go.
I do.
Oh, may parking pa dyan.
Mommy, Mommy, can I tell you something?
Oh.
Mount Rushmore is my favorite.
Ah, yun na nga yung magandang parking.
Mommy, did you know Mount
Ano na,
Rushmore is
open
my
pa dun,
favorite national
Go,
park?
go, go.
Mommy,
Nasaan ang... Oo, anak ko, anak.
it's my favorite.
Okay.
But can I
Oh, wala. Hanggang dito lang.
Ayun, park ka na dyan.
walk?
Saan yung visitor center?
O, sa pinakataas, kaibisan natin maglakad.
Kailangan ng passport.
You can still see their
Dito na lang.
faces. You can see their faces if I'm in
Ang tanong, nasaan? So, nandito na kami sa South Dakota. Kami sa Mount Rushmore. Mga ulo ng presidente. National. Ano yan?
Mount Rushmore.
Mount Rushmore National Memorial.
Are you sure the presidents are in the up there?
Ano ba dyan nakalibing yung mga presidente?
Yeah, they are.
Yan ba nilibing?
Look, you can see it right now. Huh? Okay.
Mamaya mo na picture na pagbalik na. Ano natin visitor center.
They're there.
Para tayo nasa Korea.
Where? Kuya. Mommy, look.
Hmm.
See their faces? Look. Which one is good? We have to climb on their nose.
No.
Where are we gonna go?
Just there, closer. Ano, Arizona, Arkansas, California, yung mga flag pa rin. Dito pala nakalagay yung mga flag ng kada states, ano? Mga flag ng states. Lahat ng flag ng states. Narito. District of Columbia, Florida, Georgia, Illinois, Indiana, Iowa, Maine, Maryland, Massachusetts, Guam, Hawaii, Idaho, Colorado, Delaware, Kansas, Kentucky, Louisiana, Michigan, Minnesota, Mississippi, Missouri, Montana, Nebraska, New Mexico, New York, North Carolina, Nevada, New Hampshire, New Jersey, Oklahoma, Oregon, Pennsylvania, North Dakota, Mariana Island.
Hi.
Where are we?
We're here. Look.
What is that? The head of
The head
of
of
the presidents.
president.
South Dakota,
Wait, Daddy.
Puerto Rico.
Daddy, did the presidents died?
No, that's only a sculpture on the rock and the mountain.
Did they die that time?
United States Virgin
Did they?
Utah.
Did the presidents die? Daddy.
Oh, may bakante pang isa.
Daddy.
May bakante pa isa.
Daddy.
Lagyan natin Philippines.
Daddy. Did the presidents die? What?
That's the
Yeah, but did they die? Daddy, did they die? Daddy, did they die?
Yes.
Can I check there? Can I check there? Can I go down?
Ano sa baba may theater.
Bye, Kuya.
Kaunti ng tao. May trail dun eh. May trail.
Kuya! Kuya!
Exhibit Hall. The meaning Mount Rushmore. Theodore Roosevelt yan. Si George Washington. George Washington. George Washington. Tapos si Thomas. Ano kaya isa? Thomas Jefferson. Bakit tatlo lang sila rito? Ano? Bakit tatlo lang sila rito? Abraham Lincoln. Ah, ito. Theodore Roosevelt? Siya yung nasa... Theodore Roosevelt. 1919.
Daddy, come here. Put this down the park. Come. Bro. Just wait. Just wait. Daddy, just watch. No, press. Look. Mommy, look. Can I show you something? Look. If you do this, look, watch. But I press it down. Yeah, you press it. Ready? Explode.
Again.
Keep pressing it.
Ah, ganun pala siya dati, oh.
Daddy, look.
Bago na curve.
Oh, wait.
Marami pala sila gumawa, oh.
You can explode the faces there.
Yung ginamit nilang pang sinsit. Yung ginamit nilang pang sculpture, oh.
I'm gonna know. If you go over here.
Ito yung jackhammer, oh.
Daddy, what's that? What's that?
Jackhammer.
Hammer?
Kasi ito yung ginamit nilang dinamita.
Are those bombs?
Jackhammer.
Should I do this again?
Head size and everything like that. Because there you
Yung mga pang sinsit. Yung mga machine nila ang ginamit ng mga panggawa ng pang sinsil nila.
Same way with double shins, you know. It looked like they didn't have any, just a neck. But I had cut up underneath here. Lincoln, I cut up underneath there to get the darkness. So to be a
Are those are the old material? Yeah, look. Those matches explode for real.
Yung dinaanan, may
Saan?
yan, may bahay. Ito bahay.
May ship line? Bakit yan may ship line?
Say